Talofa Lava, Flo here, welcome to my channel. Have patience with me. I'm still getting used to doing these voiceovers. I'm not comfortable talking to electronic device that doesn't talk back. And to make things more challenging, I have Sandy in the background scrunching on her bone. Anyways, just revisiting a favourite walk of mine that I've done for years, if not decades. So walking along the sandbanks off Armishaw Park in Point Chevalier, Auckland. Ready? Go. Run. Good girl. Oh, be happy. Come on. Don't eat all the shells. Look, I get it. Rat bag. Run, Bubby. It'll be free. Let's catch your plane carrying you back to shore. Huck it! Good girl. Good deal. Good deal. This is a cool little walk. Colour and I went out during the rain when it was low tide. When it's quite like low tide during king tides, you can walk out quite a distance and it's in parallel to the northern motorway. You can probably almost reach up to Patiki Rd turn off. Much of a bugger. Lala! Kala! Kala! remember once when I tried taking colouring Kai out when Kai was a pup, and it was a bit busy, but I hope that we could have made it out onto the sandbanks. We didn't even get out of the car park because someone had a loose dog. Then Kai started going off at that dog, and then Carla started going off at it as well. Don't eat that! Lala! Lala! Lala, look mummy, snack! Lala, snack! 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 Lala, snack! Lala, snack! Okay. This is a popular spot for windsurfers. Sometimes when you're crossing the motorway and you see all the windsurfers out, I crack up. They must time their days off for when the wind's like pretty good for them. But yeah, they're quite fun to watch. See, seaweed dog. She's like, no, we're taking it. Ah, no, go in the water. Meow, meow, meow. Take it in the water. Take it in the water. When we finished our walk along the sandbank, came back to the car park, cut across to the playground, where Colour and I went on a couple of activities. We don't have to worry about kids or people because of the weather, and it was raining, so no one was really out, which was good for us. And the activities I do for Colour visiting playgrounds is mostly about improving her confidence. She's only a pup here, about 2 years old, but that concludes our walk. Thanks a lot for watching. Press the subscribe button and do like. And Sandy is still scrunching on her bone. Hey Sandy, had lots of cameos today, eh Sandy? Okay, thank you. Bye.